Hi and welcome to HealthRex, your go-to source for all things health and wellness. Today, we're going to be discussing the numerous benefits of the Mediterranean diet in depth. This way of eating, which is traditional in the countries surrounding the Mediterranean Sea, emphasizes plant-based foods such as whole grains, legumes, nuts, vegetables, and fruits. It also includes moderate amounts of fish, poultry, and dairy, and limited amounts of red meat. But why should you care about the Mediterranean diet? The truth is, this style of eating has been linked to numerous health benefits that can significantly improve your quality of life. For example, following a Mediterranean diet has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. This is likely due to the diet's emphasis on heart-healthy fats like olive oil and the high intake of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These nutrients can help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation in the body, which are both major risk factors for heart disease and stroke. The Mediterranean diet has also been linked to a lower risk of certain types of cancer, including breast and colorectal cancer. This may be due to the high intake of antioxidant-rich plant foods, which can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. These harmful substances can lead to the development of cancer if they are not neutralized by antioxidants. In addition to these benefits, the Mediterranean diet has also been associated with a lower risk of cognitive decline and a lower risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. This may be due to the emphasis on anti-inflammatory foods such as olive oil and nuts. Inflammation has been linked to the development of these conditions, and by eating a diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods, you may be able to reduce your risk. But the benefits of the Mediterranean diet don't stop there. It has also been shown to be effective for weight management and can even improve mood and reduce the risk of depression. This may be due to the high intake of nutrient-dense, plant-based foods, which can help to regulate appetite and provide a sense of satisfaction. Additionally, the Mediterranean diet is high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied, making it easier to stick to a healthy weight. But that's not all. The Mediterranean diet has also been linked to a number of other health benefits, including a lower risk of diabetes, a lower risk of certain types of cancer, improved bone health, and even a longer lifespan. It's easy to see why this way of eating has gained so much popularity in recent years. One of the key reasons that the Mediterranean diet is so effective for improving health is that it focuses on whole, minimally processed foods. These types of foods are rich in nutrients and tend to be lower in calories, making them an excellent choice for weight management. Additionally, the Mediterranean diet is high in monounsaturated fats like olive oil, which have been shown to be heart healthy and can help to lower cholesterol levels. Another key component of the Mediterranean diet is its emphasis on plant-based foods. These types of foods are rich in nutrients like fiber, antioxidants, and phytochemicals, which can help to protect against a variety of diseases. For example, the high intake of fruits and vegetables on the Mediterranean diet has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. One of the great things about the Mediterranean diet is that it is flexible and can be adapted to fit your individual needs and preferences. If you're interested in giving it a try, there are plenty of resources available to help you get started. You can find lots of tasty, Mediterranean-inspired recipes online, or you can try following a meal plan that is based on the principles of this way of eating. The Mediterranean diet is also a great choice for those who are looking to improve their overall health and well-being. By focusing on whole, minimally processed foods and emphasizing plant-based options, this way of eating can help you feel your best and stay healthy for years to come. So why not give it a try and see how it can benefit your health and quality of life? Overall, the Mediterranean diet is a healthy and delicious way of eating that has been linked to numerous health benefits. It is worth giving a try to see how it can benefit your health and overall well-being. If you have any questions or want to learn more about the Mediterranean diet and its many benefits, don't hesitate to reach out. We're always here to help and are happy to provide you with the information and support you need to make healthy choices for you and your family. Until next time, stay healthy.